Hey, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is Alvita Patrice, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for returning. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can start your very own lip gloss company for under $20. Yes, $20. If you're interested, then keep on watching. Before I get into the video, please make sure you subscribe, give this video a like, and leave a comment down below if you're thinking about starting your very own business, lip gloss, eyelash, clothing, whatever it may be. I would really be interested in what your goals are for 2020. So, I've been doing some research on starting a business and being an entrepreneur. Just being your own boss, and I saw a few videos on starting your very own lip gloss, and a lot of girls across the world love lip gloss, but it's very expensive. Even just for lip gloss for some of these brands, like you've got Jeffree Star is about $22. You have Bite Beauty, they have lip balm, they have lip scrubs, and they also have lip gloss, I think, and they range between like $14 to $25. So and then also Anastasia Beverly Hills, they also have lip gloss. So I just wanted to show you guys how simple it is to start your own business. And this isn't everything that you're gonna need to literally launch your business, start making money, you know, having customers. This is just the bare minimum. Everybody has 20 bucks. So if you drink coffee, if you eat out, you know, 2 or 3 times a week, you have an extra $20 if you want to invest in yourself. So the first thing that you're going to need to start your lip gloss business is some Versagel, and this is what it looks like. This is what it's called. This is an off-brand. A lot of girls pick up their lip Versagel from TKB Trading, and I will have their link down in the description bar. And this is a this is 10 ounces. But you can get this size Versagel on TKB Trading, a 5.5 ounce container for $5.65. So this is going to be essential for you starting your lip gloss business, because you can't make lip gloss without having Versagel. So once you get your Versagel, you're going to need a few things to mix into your Versagel. And the first thing that you're going to need is some type of oil. And I do have this organic coconut oil that I did get this coconut oil from Ross, and they have a lot of oils. You can get oils that are very inexpensive from TJ Maxx. They have a lot of essential oils, and also like body oils like coconut oil, castor oil. So you're gonna need an oil, and I will list a few right here that you can use. You don't need them all. You literally only need just one if you're just starting out. I wouldn't invest in so much and you're not sure like what you're doing with it. Coconut oil, vitamin E oil, castor oil are some of the few that a lot of people use. You can get fancy with avocado oil, grapeseed oil, sesame seed oil. Those do get a little pricey. Jojoba oil, they do get a little pricey, but I would just stick with the basics with vitamin E, coconut oil, and castor oil. So once you get your Versagel, your coconut oil, or some type of oil, you're gonna need a type of fragrance. And I have this watermelon flavoring, and it's very inexpensive. This was about $2.17. You can get this from Walmart or any crafting place like Michael's or Joann's, they do sell a lot of fragrance when you go into like the aisle that does like cupcakes and cakes and all that kind of stuff. So you will need a flavoring. You don't have to have a flavoring if you just want your lip gloss to just be like no fragrance at all. Some people don't like fragrances in their lip products because of allergies or taste or just their preference. But this is an option. It is not necessary to have a flavoring in your lip gloss. But once you get started and get going, it is very nice to have a fresh watermelon, peach, cotton candy smell when you put on your lip gloss. So the next thing you're gonna need is a syringe, and this is what the syringe looks like. It does have a top that comes off, and you just push it open. So you can get a combination of a syringe and pipette, and this is what a pipette looks like. And you're going to use this to get your oils and your fragrances out of your bottles. As you can see, this little bottle, some of them do have like droplets. You can put like, you know, 4 or 5 drops from the original container, but this is very helpful to use to get your oils. But you are going to use this in a different way to make sure that you get your lip gloss down in the bottom of your lip gloss tube. So what you're going to do is take this syringe, take that off, and you're going to cut both ends of your pipette, and then it's going to look like this. You're going to cut both ends off, and then you're going to put your pipette onto your syringe like that, and then it fits. You can put tape on it so to make sure that it's secure, but this is going to allow you to put your lip gloss down in the bottom of your lip gloss tube. And the last thing you're going to need is your lip gloss tube. So I do have this dome shaped lip gloss tube, and it does come with 3 parts. This is the cap, and this is the part that goes like on your lips. And what you're going to do when you do have your lip gloss, you're going to take your syringe, and this fits all the way down into your lip gloss tube, so you can fill it all the way up to the top, and that is how you fill up your lip gloss tubes. So yeah, that is everything that you will need to start. Oh, one more thing. You may need this, you may not. It is not. So the last thing that you may need, you don't need this at all, but it is helpful once you get your business started. It's gonna be glitter. If you want to put like glitter inside of your lip gloss to make it like fancy and cute and all that. So this is an option. You can get glitter like packs for $1.65 off of TKB Trading. I would recommend just getting one. You don't have to get all of these glitters and think that you have to use glitter in every single lip gloss that you make. Again, some people like glitter, some people don't. I would just have a variety of like different lip glosses that you can start with. I personally would recommend starting off with a clear gloss with no fragrance and a glitter gloss with no fragrance, and then combine the 3, have a fragrance with glitter on a clear clear lip gloss. One more thing that you can use is like food coloring. If you're looking for a specific color for your lip gloss, you can also get that in your grocery aisle at Walmart, Publix, Winn-Dixie, and also at Joann's and at Michael's, if those stores are in your area. And I'm sure everybody has a Walmart, a Publix, like a Food Line, like just a grocery store. You can find most of the products that I mentioned here. I also will leave a link down below on Amazon where you can also shop the everything that I mentioned in this video, so you can start your lip gloss business. So the next thing that you're going to use are some vinyl gloves. Because make sure that you are sanitizing your area, that you are wearing gloves every time you touch any of these products, that you are clean and sanitized. And this is the glove. Once you put the glove on, this is what it looks like. And make sure that you're wearing gloves every time you are handling any type of product that you are going to be selling. You can get these from, oh, I'm out of breath. You can get these from Walmart, any like pharmaceutical place. If you want to get them for free, if you ever have like a doctor's appointment or something like that, just grab, you know, a handful of gloves, you know, from your doctor office or your dentist office. They have tons of them. So yeah. If not, you can get those for $1 at the Dollar Tree. So the next thing you're gonna need is this is not a need, but if you're coughing and you're sick, you're gonna need like face mask. And this is what they look like. Kind of like you just put them over your face like this. Just put them over your face. Again, if you have a doctor's appointment, you know, ask your doctor if you can have like a few of them and just put them on your face. Because if you're talking, if you have other people in the room with you, like, you don't want germs and stuff like getting all over your product or your workstation when you're like making your lip gloss. So just be as sanitized as possible. So, and the next thing you're going to need is some alcohol to make sure that you are sanitizing your area. You can take half and half water, half alcohol, spray down your area. You also can make sure you soak your, some people do this, some don't, like sanitize your lip gloss tubes prior to filling them up, because they still, you know, may have germs and stuff from traveling, from packaging and stuff like that. And then the next thing you're going to need is some hand sanitizer. Make sure that you are also sanitizing your hands. Clean your hands before you put your gloves on. I can't stress enough how sanitized you may be, because you don't want someone to get a lip gloss and it's hair in it. Like, that's nasty. Or any type of foreign object that's not a lip gloss. So just please make sure that you're very sanitized when creating your products for your customers. So this is going to be a series of videos that is going to give you some in-depth detail on how you can start your lip gloss business. I'm going to do behind the scenes on how to get your EIN number, how to create or come up with your branding name, your logo, your website, all of that stuff. I will have in future videos. And leave a comment down below if you are going to be starting your business in 2020. Start investing in yourself. And but yeah, I'm very excited for this journey into 2020. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe and leave this video a like. It really does help out my channel. And thank you again for watching, and I will see you in my next video.